Hi, and welcome to this new lecture in which we'll explore how the business and technology contexts are changing and how retailers should adapt to them. My name is Alexio Cassani, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Stentol, a startup founded in 2015 that helps retailers during their digital transformation projects and that has been part of MCube Group since 2019. Smartphones have enabled disruptive innovation in the last 10 years. It's now possible to manage anything with them: book hotels, order food, find a new job, and find a date. The customer is expecting to find similar tools and service during the shopping experience. According to a study by the management consulting firm McKinsey, 60% of people use at least one digital channel during their shopping journey. In the United States at first, and then in other countries, many retailers have started to close stores, and this was true even before the COVID-19 situation. New generation pays more attention to the level of the service, where of course digital channels are in clear advantage than the physical ones. And all of those numbers are still changing due to the current situation, where a digital channel is a must-have for all companies that want to sell products or services. So, how should the retailers adapt? We highlighted 4 main trends that we think they should focus on. The first one is omnichannel commerce. The omnichannel commerce is the possibility for the customer to be at the center of all the interactions with the retailers without worrying about the touchpoint in use. Retailers should think about omnichannel commerce when designing the customer journeys, creating connections between digital and physical touchpoints. Omnichannel commerce is also an opportunity to collect more data about customers and use them to create a one-to-one experience in real time. Finally, omnichannel commerce enables the creation of coherent interactions regardless of the channel used by the customer. Then we have augmented humans. Literally, augmenting humans means to enhance skills, physical and cognitive, of a person with the aid of technology. It's important for retailers because it enables new ways of interaction between customers and stores. New interactivity generates information that can be collected. On top of all this data, it is possible to run artificial intelligence-enabled applications, like recommendation engines, that can provide real-time suggestions to the associate who can eventually better support the customer and create a personalized experience. Finally, there are tools that allow to quickly find a product inside a warehouse, to raise and move heavy boxes without effort. In some way, also food delivery drivers are augmented humans with smart applications that put them in touch with restaurants and customers, respecting their privacy and offering a safe and effective service. The third trend is digital sustainability. Customers are every day more aware of sustainability and are looking for companies that seriously take it in consideration while creating or selling products and services. Different approaches can be pursued by digital sustainable companies. Some of them focus on achieving a more sustainable production using tools that allow to design and visualize products in a digital environment. Some companies focus on developing new business models supported by technology that, for example, can allow a circular economy, such as clothing rental models. Some other companies work for giving a second life to clothes. The last trend is hyper-personalization. The availability of customer information and data shared through digital channels allow organizations to create customized and tailored products and experience for their customers. Technology advancement is making possible also real-time customization of products, and customers are expecting to find a high level of personalization in every aspect of their life. Retail is one of the sectors that had to adapt to this trend. With last-minute personalization, customers feel part of the creative process of their clothes. Digital platforms allow made-to-measure mass production models that are able to overcome the standardization of products and provide the right fit for each body type. The production of goods, in the same cases, can even happen under customer eyes with 3D printing. But what's under the hood? What lies behind all the new capabilities is a technological layer composed by many different systems that enable new experiences. First, unified commerce ecosystem. It combines in one platform different capabilities that allow the customer to browse, transact, and consume across touchpoints. In retail, a unified commerce ecosystem provides organization with a 360 degrees unique customer view, inventory visibility across different stores, automated cross-channel business processes, cross-channel order and return management, and managed communication tools. The second system consists of digital twins. Digital twinning is the mapping of a physical asset to a digital platform. It is one of the latest technologies to emerge from Industry 4.0. It uses data from sensors on the physical asset to optimize and forecast the operation of assets or business decisions about them. In retail, digital twins allow to forecast customer behavior or product preferences, to simulate store environments, to reduce maintenance cost and increase asset time. The third system enabling new experiences is the AI Virtual Personal Assistant. AI Virtual Personal Assistant is a software agent that uses semantic and deep learning to assist users and enterprises or automate tasks. This technology is used in retail in the form of chatbots or smart speaker to support discovery phase, chatbots for customer care, smart and mobile ordering, and virtual employee assistants. Going on, the first system is the robotic store automation. Smart robots are smart machines that are programmed to work autonomously in the physical world. Smart machines learn in the short-term intervals from human-supervised training or by supervised experiences on the job. These machines are used in the store environment for customer support, for monitoring inventory or customer behavior, and behind the scenes for managing warehouse and orders. The fifth enabling technology is IoT applied to fashion. It's the adoption of smart devices inside clothing or the store to monitor activities and offer innovative and convenient services. In retail, this technology allows improvements in stock availability, merchandising, and real-time contextualized pricing for customers, optimization of task management, improved customer service, and smart checkout. The sixth technology is mixed reality that includes augmented reality, AR for short, and virtual reality, or VR. Mixed reality is the merging of real and virtual worlds in a graphical representation where the two worlds appear to interact and integrate. In retail, mixed reality can provide in-store navigation, immersive product information, product search and customization assistance, home in-store experience, VR training simulator, VR shopping, and finally AR shop consultant. The last technology is smart checkout. It is an alternative to the traditional checkout lane where different technologies allow to recognize the product to put into a basket, sum up the basket costs, apply loyalty and promotional benefits, identify the customer, and receive payments. Examples of the usage of smart checkout in retail are Scan and Go, invisible payments such as Amazon Go, and biometrical payments. In conclusion, 2020 has taught us that our organization must be composable, anticipating and changing with society. During the global pandemic, retailers that have been progressing through digital transformation are the ones that have been able to adapt. Understanding which is the right mix of technology to meet customers' evolving needs will be the key for staying relevant in the market.